Hello again, this is Shortcut Sherry, and I want to show you one of my favorite tips and tricks for Excel. Usually I have a lot of data in an Excel spreadsheet, and I have to select it all. And in my old days, I would start my cursor and just start dragging, kind of like this. I'd click in the first cell, and then I'd click and drag to select everything. Well, did you know that Excel has 1,000,000 rows of data now? That could take me all week to select that all. So let me show you my favorite shortcut. Select the first cell in the range of data that you want to select, and then use CTRL+SHIFT and then the END key, not the N, but the END key. That will take you to the last active cell in a contiguous range of data, meaning continuous range, so all of the cells are touching each other. Now I can do whatever I need to with it. I can create a table, I can format it, I can sort it, whatever I need to do. So CTRL+SHIFT+END, one of my favorite shortcuts. Thanks for watching. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.